Yeah, so right now I'm just working on this free code camp. Nothing too big. Let me see your A element. Are these like hints? I wonder are those hints. Those might be hints. Create an A element that links to and has cat photos as its anchor text. Where do they want it? I guess I can put it under this one. Maybe I should put a alt in there as well and put cat photos and then put, I guess, cat photos. Let's do it like that. Yeet. Link to external pages with anchor element. Oh, link to internal sections of a page with anchor elements. Okay, I get what it's talking about. Where do they want it? Click the contacts link. They'll be taken to the section within the contact header, right? Change the external link. I'll change the href and the text to. Are they talking about this one? Okay, yeah, it is talking about this one. So if you wanted to jump to the footer section, you would do that. And then it says jump to the bottom. I guess I'll put a period. No, probably not. Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm tripping. There we go. Oh, yeah, I didn't add this ID attribute. So ID equals footer. And then there we go. That'll complete everything. Is it really? Oh, because I got the in there. Oh, that's so childish. I hope y'all smoking. I'm not smoking. I'm just vaping. But I'm pretty in my zone right now. Let's see, the final output, blah, blah, blah. And that's the existing A element within a new P element. Okay. So cut that out. And it wants me to make a new P element. So I always write my tags right after I write my beginning tag. So that way I there we go. That way I don't ever forget to put my end tag on there. So just a reference, the new paragraph should have a text that say view more cat photos, where the cat photos is a link and the rest is plain text. Okay. All right. Let me see. So this is how I would do it. I would cut this right here, and then I would put it right there, like that. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if y'all want to sit here. I don't know. I'm going to upload this video too. Y'all can tell me if y'all don't want these videos, but I don't know. Sometimes I'm just listening to my lo-fi. So, like, imagine. No, I'll post a link to the lo-fi stream I was listening to while I was coding this. Let me see, the current value of a href attribute is a link that points to blah, blah, blah. Replace the href with a value to create a dead link. Okay, so it's talking about this one. Why do they want me to go to a dead link? That's weird. But okay. Y'all be pissed off. I go to a website and I got a dead link. Okay, this music is kind of loud though. I don't know what I'm playing it out of though. I got so much shish kebab open right now. It's retarded. There we go. Now it's not like super loud in my ear. I felt like I was whispering compared to the music. I probably am whispering, but this mic here really good. And it be sound like I'm breathing all in the mic like don't nobody want to hear that. Okay, nest your image within an A element. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what it's doing now. Do it like that. And then like that. But why the href though? That's the part. Oh snap! It said it should have a closing tag. Oh, I guess I did. All right. Ooh, an unordered list, just a UL. Remove the P elements to create an order list of 3 things. So remove these to create an ordered list. Oh wait, did it say? Oh, it said unordered. Oops. All right, so I'm gonna get my li elements in there. Copy that and put milk. And put cheese. And as you can see, the spacing, it doesn't affect anything. To me, it just makes your code easier to read. So that's why I do it. Okay. Oh, I should have 3. What else should I have? Yeah, it did say 3 things, though. All right, milk, cheese, and eggs. Eggs, bacon, cheese, sausage. Just blowing through this stuff, this, I already know HTML, honestly. I'm just doing this to clean up, and like this is like a little cheat sheet doc that I use whenever I want to like Like if I'm just freehanding a website and I'm like, okay, how do I do this or how do I do that or can I do this or can I do that? Because eventually, like once you go after HTML and CSS and you get into like your base language, like JavaScript or C Sharp or Python, whichever direction you're going to go in, .NET, like you're going to want to have this cheat sheet instead of having to Google everything. It's like all laid out right here in one sheet. You don't have to like go through multiple tabs because everything has like pages and pages of stuff to go through. So I don't know. I don't know, son. I don't know. I don't know if they'll help you, dog, but it helped me, dog. Create an order list. Create an order list of the top 3 cats. Top 3 things cats hate the most. An ordered list. All right. Oh, wait, I still got that copied, I believe. Yay. So, I don't know. I guess they hate water, people, and other cats. I have no idea. I don't even like cats. It's me putting people in there. Maybe that's a bias. I don't know how true that is, but yeah. Let's create a web form. Okay. Below your list. Input type equals text. Is that self-closing? Okay, I guess so. Set a placeholder value to cat. So I would think you would just go like this and then put in cat photo URL, I guess. Yep, that's what it looks like. Just blowing through, just breathing through. Yeah, this ain't no competition. Let me stop before it get hard and I embarrass myself. Because you will run into bugs when you code, trust me. But I better not run into no bugs and no HTML. Like, what the fudge? That's the existing input element, okay, inside a form element, okay. So, a form element. All right. And assign to the action attribute of the form. Ooh, I don't know. I guess I don't think this is right. No, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I guess it was. Oh, it's right there. I'm over here tripping, acting like I don't know. Niggas be like, add a button as the last element of your form element with the type of submit and submit it as text. So add a button as the last element of your form element. Okay, so it would go here. With the type of submit. So button type submit. Okay, and then put submit. All right, so yeah, buttons are pretty important. Just for ooh, look at me. I'm vaping. If you're wondering what that noise is, you will always hear it in my videos. I don't plan on stopping no time soon. So come for me in the comments. I dare you. I mean, do I just type in required? Okay. Let's try this. I don't know. I don't know if I need a space or not. I probably do. It's proper etiquette, but computers don't care. Yeah, see, look, it even has it at the end on the next page, which is where I was gonna type it. Anyways, that's what I get for doubting myself. All right, so add a pair of radio buttons to your form. Okay. Each nested in its own label element. Okay. So I would probably put it here somewhere. And then put label for once you have an indoor option. Okay. All right, so, and then put an input button in there. No, both should share the same name attribute. Name attribute. So the only thing it said anything about was the type, which it said a radio button, and then have the name attribute indoor, outdoor. Okay. Okay, and then we can just copy that and paste it, and then just change this to outdoor. Wait, and then I need to put this label, or no, I can keep that right there, but I'm gonna copy it to here, and then have another label here, and let it say for outdoor. There we go, there we go, there we go. We coming along. Put a little space in between and run that test. All right. So for this one, add to your form a set of 3 check boxes. Should be nested within its own label element. All 3 should share the name attribute of personality. So I'll put it above this one. Label for, I mean, I guess I can put personality, because again, it goes with that proper etiquette. So they know if anyone comes and code behind me knows what exactly this is for. So I would do probably input. Okay, not like that though. Input type equals check box. And I guess I'll come up with my own. Let me go ahead and add this in before I go to the next line. Name, personality. Input, I guess arrogant can be one. I wonder why is it showing up. That's the submit button. And where is it? Input type text. I thought this was radio. Okay, the input. Okay, there we go. That's what I need right there. I need to cut that shish out the window. Paste that right there. There we go. And then I can add a break here. So boom. That already has one. So there we go. Now I can copy this. Because now I know. Okay, we're going to change this from arrogant to what type of personalities can you have? Arrogant, you can have a joyful personality, I guess, and a pessimistic person. I have no idea. Like this is just for the birds. They should have their own label element. Okay. Copy. Label element. Yeah. There we go. Perfection. What you gotta say now? You don't listen. That's what the freak I gotta say. I'm doing the F out this little cat thing. Give each radio and checkbox input the value attribute. Use the input label text in lowercase as the value for the attribute. Use the input label text in lowercase as the value attribute. I guess that's what it's saying. Am I doing it to this too? Okay, it said for the radio and check boxes, so I guess the value can be loving, maybe. This value can be lazy. Yeah, I should have. Why did I not come up with these? Energetic. Oh, I came up with some really pessimistic type shit. All right. It's like, no, we're gonna replace it with loving, lazy. God dang, what the freak was you on? So I think you would just put default. Oh no, check. And checked. Now y'all see why I separated my code like I did, because the more you get, the more sloppy it gets. Like, what the fudge is all it is? So the way that I would do it is, okay, so that tag is separated. I would go here and let it drop down. And then that's the end of that tag. I would drop this down like this and indent it. And then I would drop this down and I would bring it back twice to line up with that top one. For this, if it's in a text editor, it works different. So I would just hit backspace and enter so it'll indent it for me. And then I just do the same thing for the rest of it. Like, that's how I would have mine laid out. And now you see that this looks a lot better than this does. Like, this just looks like some bullshit and somebody didn't want to do their job that day. Honestly, it looks lazy. Lazy. Right there. Check that box. Boom. Your P element should be in a div. Okay, there's the P elements. But because they don't have it, I don't have time to sit here and correct this, but I would have all of this indented out. So on first look, you can see, okay, this is the top of the div, this is the bottom of the div. Because if this was out like this, and as you see, it looks a lot better. You can clearly see, okay, and I would probably go a step further and put these out a little bit further as well from the P tag, so it's even more clearly defined where everything is. And you see it just cascades better. So okay, check. Your UL element should be nested inside your div element. UL. What UL? I don't see an unordered list. I only see. Oh, okay. I see it. Okay. And your div should have a. Oh, that's it? Well, I did everything and I ain't even know it. Probably got like 2 more challenges. And then I'm going to stop this video, upload it, and then keep going. And we about to walk this coding journey, boy. This way isn't like as effective though, because it pretty much gives you the answer right before you have to do it. And it's like, what the fudge? Like, how is that helpful? I'm pretty sure it's going to say I need a closing tag. Let me go ahead and put that down there. Add an opening. Under it, add an opening and closing HTML tag. Okay. And an H1 element, the heading can include any text. So let's go back to the infamous hello world. If you have done any HTML, then you know that's what they use for everything. When you was in any language you learn, they're going to start with hello world and how to get it to render to the screen. I've learned a few languages and they've all been the same. Okay, so you see how they kind of have it like going out a little bit more this way, but let's see. Let's go ahead and make that the head tag and then make that the clothing head tag. Make this the body tag and the closing body tag. Now, in some text editors, you can like go like this and hit tab and it will like indent it for you, but I don't see this doing it. Let me see, format section, no. Format document. Undo. Only thing I got is this. Ooh. This might be the easiest way to do it. No, that's not the easiest way. Let me stop before I mess something up. Here we go. Okay. There we go. It doesn't change anything. It just looks better. But you can see it. Wait a minute. Body element should only include the H1 and P tag. The head element should only include the title. That's what I did. There should only be one body element on the page. There is only one body element. Okay, so let's go through and undo all this shish kebab I just did. Is that what it is? That shouldn't be it. Am I missing something? Like, do you not see this whole body? Oh, that's what it is. Ha ha. Mwahaha, mwaha, mwaha. And that's it for this one.